Hey guys, here's a quick video of some air rifle hunting in Hawaii. So here, it's about 6 o'clock at night, and these three pigs that came out didn't really allow me to get a clean shot on them. So I had to wait until nightfall to get a better shot. Okay, so here it's about an hour and a half later, and this pig, one of the three, came back. So this one allowed me to get a shot on him. As you can see, the flashing light, that's the rangefinder, so trying to range the distance so I can get a good shot. Alright guys, till the next video.